cookies. See how we can create cookies by using the ICTP cookie class. Use this line when you want to save a cookie, like a response.cookies of some cookie name. Okay, dot value equals to string value. Say key also is string, value is also a string. Okay, key is here is string, value is a string. So this is also key value pair. Unlike view state, where view state allows me to store serializable object information, but cookies allows me to store only string values. How long will cookie exist on client hard disk? Response.cookies of that cookie name you need to pass exact name dot expires, when it should expire. Expire is the property of the cookie object. Date time dot not dot add days, 1 day. So till 1 day that information it will be there in the cookie. A browser can use for 1 day. To add multiple key value pairs in a single cookie, you need to say something like this: response.cookies of visitor data, first name equals this thing, response.cookies of visitor data, last visit equals to something. So this will be considered as a profile name, something like that, and this will be considered as a key name. Okay, sub key we can say. This is the main key, visitors data. This will be the sub key for that key. So a key will have sub key. Like every time I cannot create cookie for every field. Suppose I am storing first name, one cookie. Okay, last name, one more cookie. It's not like that. We can say something like this also. Create one cookie with different sub key names. So this is my sub key, this is also my sub key. Okay? Read a cookie in ASP.NET. How to read it? Nothing but say this is my string here. If cookie not exist, how you can check? If request.cookies of my cookie name not equals to null, if it is not equals to null, okay, then my cookie value equals to request.cookies of my cookie.value. Value is a property which allows you to store or set, get or sets the value. So storing in a variable, string variable here. How to delete a cookie? To delete existing cookie, we actually just set its expiration time to some time in the past. You can do it with the code like this. If request.cookies of this thing is not equal to null, then expires. Expires property. Add days -1 immediately. Okay. Okay, we have got some example here. Let's see the example.
So we didn't delete the cookie here, right?
Where? Here?
Oh, okay. So when is it deleted? The response.cookies.
Yeah, when you
Yes.
say expires, no, here expires, automatically it will be destroyed after one day. Okay, automatically it will be destroyed. If it is not destroyed,
No, in delete.
in delete,
Deleting.
expires we
So
said, no, add days -1 we said.
yeah,
Here -1 in the sense,
some
yeah,
yeah
some
past.
past. Okay, that past. So automatically that will be destroyed. Okay, so these blocks you need to remember very much. These blocks: deleting a cookie, how to create cookie, how to read the values, the blocks you need to remember this area. Okay, very important. So with this only, let us create some example. Hopefully I am getting started with the cookie practical. If you have any doubts regarding the cookie, you can ask me.
We cannot have space in key and value.
No. Fine. Let us say add new folder. cookies.
So basically, what did you say was the difference between view state and the cookies?
Yeah, view state information will be available when the website is running, and its information can be useful within that page. We cannot store information what is available in view state in client machine,
Okay.
and we cannot use that information in between the pages.
Okay.
Like in the case of cookies, we can use that information throughout our website wherever we want. One If I create a cookie in one page, I can use that value in another page also. Okay, and we can store it in the client machine also.
Okay.
Okay.
But in the case of view state, it only happens on the server side, um, and it also maintains like only one page. It's used for a single page. Is that what it is?
No, it's not like that. Cookies information we can use throughout the session of the browser.
Yeah.
Non-persistent cookie.
Yeah. I'm talking about the view state.
No, view state information we cannot. That will be available in that page only.
Okay.
You cannot transfer the value of view state.
Okay.
Mr. Pradhan,
Yeah.
for example, I don't know the name of the cookie, but still I can just can I delete the cookie using the edge?
Yeah, you should first get all the cookies.
What if I don't know the name and all?
Key you should pass compulsory. Key you should. Otherwise you will be having directly in the browser itself. You can say browser is responsible of deleting all the cookies. In the browser, we will be having the option erase cookies, delete cookies, like that. And we have got so many softwares right now which allows us to delete all the information of cookies, browser information, and keyboard clipboard information, run command information, recycle bin, isn't it? Fine. With this, I'll create a cookie. Okay, and I will transfer it in the next page. Say I'm adding one more page, default2.spx. Here in this, I'll display the information about cookies in a label control. Okay, so navigation from one page to another page and transferring data from one page to another page. Let's get started. Submit button. HTTP cookie is the object you need to create. Equals to new HTTP cookie. Give the cookie name. Okay, username, suppose whatever the key name you want to give. Then this cookie object dot, you can see domain is there, expires, has keys, name, path, secure or not, the value. So the value I'll tell is nothing but I'll check a condition first. if text box is not null. Then cookie one, the cookie object reference variable dot value is equals to what is there in the text box. Create a cookie, then response dot redirect. Default to dot spx. Else response dot write. Fine. So I have created a cookie storing some information, text information. Okay, then redirecting to next page. In the next page I will use whatever it is available in cookie. Okay, so where is my default to page? In the
So this response object is from system.web.
response, yeah, response, it is from http response class, system.web http response.
And does it write only on the browser?
No, redirect is a method to redirect. Write is a method to write within a web page at the top.
No, this HTTP response object, we don't have to create it anytime.
No, we don't have to create.
So those are static methods.
Those are yeah. We don't need to use that also. HTTP response like that. Obviously, in that from this response property is coming from that class only. Yeah, the default to in the page. Yeah. Arif.
Mr. Fazal, that response dot write, is this like displaying a message box dot zero?
No. This response dot write only writes some value whatever you provided over here on the web page. And the top left, first line will be response dot write. In the page load event of default to, I'll say something like label 1 should display me some text. What text is nothing but welcome. To whom is nothing but this request is having some cookies object with the name username, that value. Okay, from which page the request is coming, in that page this value user name we are displaying here.
So what's the difference between label1.text we give and response.write?
Label 1 dot text means wherever I want I can take the label control.
Yeah, right.
Okay, by just setting the text property, and this label control is having so many properties, back color, forecolor, and all those things. Whenever I want I can set it. Whereas response only as a response I just want some text.
But where will it be displayed? Just the next available space?
No, it will just append the